all about Instagram. So if you're not already on Instagram, you need to get yourself signed up because it's a really good media platform in order to get lots of inspiration and keep up to date with what other guys that are home educating are doing. So once you've signed up to Instagram, if you haven't already done so, you're looking for Twinkl Home Educators, and that is our Instagram page. And this video is going to run you through some of the features that you will find on our Twinkl Instagram page. So come and join me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through with you everything that you can find on our Instagram page in order to get the most out of using this social media platform. So the first thing to look at is obviously the posts. And you can see here that there are lots of posts that are shared. They may be information about new resources that we have, but very, very similar to Facebook, you will see lots of posts and information for inspiration. The other tab that you might want to check is Reels. So you might want to look at some videos and reels of things that we have that you might find inspiring and helpful. So Reels is another really, really great use of the Instagram page. Another thing is along the top of the tab, you'll find Key Stage 2, Key Stage 1, Key Stage 3 and so on. And you will find old stories here, which again are a really lovely way of looking at things that we have on Twinkl. The most important thing though, and something that's often forgotten about with our Instagram page, is our link in bio. And it is an interactive, almost website within Twinkl, and it's really, really useful. And it's something that we guys would love you to get more use out of. So an obvious one is once you've clicked on it, you've got visit website right at the top. And what you have underneath is lots of stories. But for example, if I'm looking at UK Tree Seeds ID, guys, I can click on it, and what is really magic about it is it takes me all the way through to the Twinkl resource on the website. So this is a really underutilized tool. So here you can see we've got a history share. If you click on that again, it links you to all of the resources linked to kings and queens. Really go and check out that link in bio because it really is super helpful for inspiration, for gathering ideas. I really think you'll find it really, really supportive and interactive. So just to finish off, if you click the Twinkl logo or you look at the top of your Instagram feed, you will see stories. These are a great source of inspiration and showcase all of the different things that people in our community are doing using Twinkl resources. Don't forget, if you use any of our Twinkl resources or you want to share any part of your home ed journey, do tag us and then they'll feature also in our stories. Join me in the next video to find out how to get the best out of Facebook.